In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to view your QuickBooks Online subscription. If you ever need to check which plan you're currently on, confirm your subscription status, or see when your next charge is coming up, QuickBooks Online makes that information easy to find. This is especially helpful if you're reviewing your business expenses, preparing for an upcoming billing date, or simply making sure your account details are up to date. To get started, sign into your QuickBooks Online account and go to your main dashboard. Once you're there, look toward the upper area of the screen for the settings icon, which appears as a small gear. Click that gear icon to open your account settings menu. This menu gives you access to several account management options, so if you don't use it often, it's a good place to become familiar with. From the menu, select Subscriptions and Billing. After you click it, QuickBooks will take you to the page where your subscription details are displayed. On this page, you'll be able to view your active plan, so you can confirm exactly which QuickBooks Online subscription you're using. You'll also see the current status of that subscription, which is useful for making sure your account is active and in good standing. In addition, this page shows your next charge date, so you can quickly check when your upcoming billing will be processed. While you're on the same page, take a moment to review your payment method as well. This section lets you confirm which card or payment source is connected to the account. It's a good idea to check this occasionally, especially if you've recently updated your banking or card information and want to make sure everything is correct. You can also find your billing history here. That makes it easy to look back at previous charges, verify past payments, or review your records if you need the information for bookkeeping or account management purposes. Having all of these details in one place can save time and help you stay organized, and that's all there is to it. By opening the Settings menu, selecting Subscriptions and Billing, and reviewing the details on that page, you can quickly see your QuickBooks Online plan, status, next charge date, payment method, and billing history. That's it. Thanks for watching.